On 20th of December, Karbi Anglong District Youth Congress called for a press conference at its office premises at Dipu over conduction of Karbi Anglong District Youth Congress election. Sukur Singh Kro, president of Karbi Anglong District Youth Congress, while speaking to us, informed that Prakash Kumar, an observer from Delhi, national capital, is here at Dipu to conduct a free and fair election of Youth Congress.
Youth Congress election ke chapati ji koson si mane anutina bang busame free and fair election ke patudun jima bola pena holo so election no kia so no doma so kadong we Karbi Anglong ora one Congress claim kaching hon rabda akorting ji ke pachini ban busipini alang le liben manglo.
Prakash Kumar, in charge and observer of Assam Youth Congress election, while speaking to us, informed that he came to Dipu as an observer of Assam Youth Congress election to ensure free and fair election. The membership launch had started from 16th of December. Filing of nomination papers by the candidate is scheduled from 18th of December to 27th of December 2022. Objection of the nominations from 19th and 20 December. Nomination scrutiny would be done on 28th of December and final scrutiny would be done on 29 December 2022. Youth Congress election and membership drive would be carried out at the same period from 4th of January 2023 till 3rd of February 2023. Hence, to aware the candidates as well as the members of the Youth Congress, he is present as an observer. Also informed that the mode of the election would be conducted online through an IYC applications.
उसके बाद मेंबरशिप और इलेक्शन साथ साथ चलेगा जो 4 जनवरी से 3 फरवरी 2023 तक चलेगा। इसी से संबंधित हम सभी जो हमारे युवा हैं उनको मोटिवेट करने के लिए, समझाने के लिए कोई टेक्निकल एरर ना हो जाए। अब क्या है सर, जो भी होगा हमारे मोबाइल ऐप से होगा, विथ IYC ऐप से ही होगा, ऑनलाइन होगा, कोई फिजिकल कुछ नहीं हो रहा है। इसलिए इसी से संबंधित हम कैंडिडेट से मिलने आए थे।
News X report for Karbi Anglong Live.